Garden friends are the best friends. Check it. I went and scored some garden beds from a friend of mine. She is taking them down. I'm super excited to kind of rearrange my garden a little bit maybe this fall and figure out best placement for these. I have some cattle panels to go back and get, and then there's 2 more really long beds that I've got to go back and pick up. So, and I mean, my van is my farm vehicle. Even though we have a truck, my van still does double duty quite often. These are the rest of the raised beds. In order to get them in the truck, we had to cut them in half because they were like almost 15 feet long. So we cut them in half, and actually I may not put them back together. I may just cap them at the ends and use them as is. I don't know. I haven't really decided yet where they're going or what configuration I want them in, but more raised beds, y'all. I'm excited. I may just use them to replace those little short squatty beds over there that are falling apart anyways. I love bartering, y'all. I traded a bunch of elderberry plants for beef. How amazing is that?